I know you guys want to check this cookbook out because this is widely anticipated. Charity Morgan was featured in that Netflix show, Game Changers, and now we get a glimpse of all the awesome vegan recipes that she has created, combining her Puerto Rican and Creole heritage into this cuisine, making it amazing. Yes, I'm excited. This is unbelievably vegan. This is by Charity Morgan. Let's do this. I'm so excited. It's fun. We get to learn about her. But let's look at the actual table of contents real quick here. Her and her family, precious. So, she's awesome because she's helped athletes, people who are like all about that protein, go vegan. Yeah, totally vegan. Okay, chapter 1, we've got fundamentals, which includes things like making your own bechamel, mayonnaise, even like hemp parm. We've got creamy buffalo sauce, rojo sauce, lots of stuff. And even taco seasoning. I didn't realize that was actually not vegan. I guess if it has like the chicken, dried chicken, it probably isn't. Barbecue sauce, shiitake bacon. So we also have kickoff breakfasts and brunches. Then she goes into soups or bowls. Next is crowd pleasers, playmaking mains, sideline sides. You can tell this is very sport oriented. Sweet victories is our last one. And actually there's quite a few awesome recipes here. I'm very excited. There's a lot of awesome mains. And I will be making some of these recipes. I'm going through a bit of a thing right now, but I'm going to be doing this recipes next week. So stay tuned on Instagram. So let's move on. We've got here her story, why plant-based, all that stuff. Here's how you make the change. Here's the kitchen sheet, the Plegan kitchen. Haven't heard of that before. Plant-based kitchen, I think. Here's hot sauce, her ode to hot sauce. Here we go, fundamentals. I love this picture of mushrooms. So here we have mayonnaise, but she has like all of the ingredients you're going to need listed. Ooh, not just that. It's photos of everything. Cream cheese, Brazil nut sour cream, mayonnaise, and then a cashew heavy cream, which I might actually make for my teas and my coffee. That's a great idea. So I like that she's utilized the pages perfectly. We have a creamy buffalo sauce here. Let's move on to some of the bigger stuff. These are all the starter, like foundational things, including the shiitake bacon. This is brilliant. And she uses like avocado oil, smoke signal, interesting, which is a part of a recipe, I guess, and maple syrup. I am excited to try this out. Okay, so she has papas and walnut chorizo breakfast tacos. You would never have guessed this is actually chorizo. She gets that awesome texture with the walnuts. I think it's super clever. I love that idea. Here's how you actually make the walnut chorizo right next to the taco recipe. That's kind of nice. I hate flipping through the cookbook over and over again or having like to put tabs everywhere. It can be a pain. Here's fluffy vanilla pancakes. I kind of feel like this is cheating. Let's see some more. Overnight oats trio. Ooh, I like that she has multiple recipes for one thing. So we've got cacao nut butter, tropical mango, pineapple coconut, and cinnamon matcha. That sounds interesting. I'm excited. Here we have soup or bowl. Here is a chili con carne. Con carne. I like that. Very cool. Here we have sopa azteca. Ooh, yummy. Oh, I'm so hungry. Lemon parmy kale salad. This is clearly not a soup or a bowl. There are quite a few salads here. Caesar salad 3 ways. Ooh, kickin' Cajun Caesar salad. Let's move on because there's plenty of, plenty of that. Oh, okay, so this is an interesting little chapter here. This is how to make your own pro bowl. So you've got your grain base listed here. It's basically like making your own poke bowl, but she's giving you extra stuff. Here's your proteins, your sauteed or grilled or steamed vegetables, your toppings you can use, dressings and sauces. This is brilliant. This is great for lunches, something to whip up super fast, and or for the kids too. They can create their own little bowls. That's such a good idea. Here we have buffalo chicken tacos, chicken, lemon pepper wings, yum. Pastel Leos. Oh my goodness, I don't even know what that is. One thing I haven't looked at yet is the gluten-free situation. I have celiac, so I need to be a little more cognizant of vegan cookbooks because they usually aren't very gluten-free friendly. This one, it looks like she's created a lot of recipes that don't necessarily use, flour or wheat. Some of them obviously do, but I'm glad that she hasn't. Like, there's a lot of recipes that utilize more rice, more of the rice-based noodles, chips, or tortilla chips, corn, potatoes, that kind of thing. Here we have a chickpea tikka masala, yum. There's a lot going in here. This looks really good. For the most part, it's also really great for, I'm noticing that there's a good sugar content in here. Like, she doesn't use a lot of substitutes for sugar, and it's usually not a lot, so that's really cool. Here, this is obviously not gluten-free, but it looks really good. Beer battered fish and chips. Super tasty. Oh, she does have a gluten-free flour blend option. So she is keeping an open mind to that, which is great. I love that. We have a gochujang jackfruit noodle bowl, which I am dying to try. I love jackfruit. It's a great substitute. This awesome burger recipe. Let's see what's actually in here for the actual burger. Pea protein, mushrooms, avocado oil, garlic, Vegemite. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of stuff in here. Lots of cool stuff. This is a great opportunity to learn more vegan cooking. I really love this. This is a cool cookbook. I highly recommend it. Garlic ramen noodles. Let me go to a few desserts because I know I love desserts. Salted caramel apple crisp. Ooh, so good. Childhood chocolate chip cookies. So totally vegan. And then we have a flaky pie dough, and you can actually make your own hand pies. This is really cool. It's very picture friendly if you're somebody that loves photos. There's a lot of variations to these recipes, and she keeps an open mind. She gives you a lot of options. It's easy to approach. A lot of the ingredients aren't far-fetched. You can always find stuff on Amazon. It's really easy. So check this out. Charity Morgan is amazing. This is unbelievably vegan. There's 100 recipes in here if you want to go vegan that are super awesome, super tasty, great for all times of the year. For more cookbook content, come join us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and all of our other social media platforms. Make sure to like and subscribe down below and to leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you guys, and we will talk at you later.